How to get verified on Snapchat. What's going on, guys? Regal here. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys a method that you can utilize to actually get verified on Snapchat. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So basically what we're gonna be doing today is contacting Snapchat and letting them know that other people are impersonating us on Snapchat and that your followers following you are getting confused and don't know who the real influencer is. Now we're gonna be contacting Snapchat by utilizing their support page, which can be found by clicking the first link in the description box down below. Once you guys do click on the link in the description, you guys will be brought to Snapchat support page. Now once you guys are on the Snapchat support page, the next step we're going to be taking is clicking on the contact us option and then the option that says my Snapchat isn't working. Now once you guys do click on that option, a couple more will come up from where you will choose the option that says other. Now once you guys do click on the other option, a little notification will pop up asking you if you still need help with the current issue that you have. Now at this point you want to then press the yes option and then the option that says my issue isn't listed. Now as soon as you guys click on that option, a form will then appear from where you can go ahead and input your Snapchat username, then the email and phone number associated with your account, and the device that you're currently using, as well as when you started to have this issue. Now the main thing we care about in this form is the last option, providing all of the details in regards to your problem. You have to tell them that you're basically getting impersonated and other people are making fake accounts of you. You can say that people are getting confused and are following the wrong accounts, and that it's ultimately hurting your Snapchat account. Basically you want to sound as persuasive as you can, letting them know that you're getting impersonated and that you want to get verified so that people know that you're the official account. Now something you can do to increase your chances of actually getting verified is adding a picture of a government issued ID stating that you're the actual individual and submitting that picture into the form as an attachment. This will only help you, as Snapchat will now see that you're an actual individual and that if they do verify that account, they're doing it to the right person. Now once you guys have completed the form, simply submit it and wait about 2 to 3 days for a response from Snapchat. But once you guys do get a response from Snapchat, if you guys did persuade Snapchat good enough, obviously you'll notice that your Snapchat account will be verified. However, if you get an email saying that they can't verify you, you can obviously go ahead and resubmit the form, hoping to get verified the second time. So yeah, pretty much that'll wrap up today's video. If you guys want to go ahead and actually get verified on Snapchat, be sure to click the first link in the description box down below, follow along with the video, submit the form, and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, pretty much that'll wrap up today's video. If you guys did go ahead and like it, be sure to hit that like button. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. It's been Regal, and I'm out. Peace.